Alright, it's 5 a.m. in the morning, and yesterday TAAL volcano erupted. So since then it's been raining ash, and we're here in Rizal, and the ash went from TAAL volcano in Batangas all the way here to Rizal, and outside there's a layer of ash. You see? See that ash? It's from TAAL volcano, and it smells like sulfur outside. See, the ash is already layered itself. So you can see how the eruption. Right now, this is Quezon City. It's just past 6 a.m. and I have to wear this mask because I find the dust very irritating. It's giving me allergies, and it also hurts the eyes. So yeah, my eyes, I don't know if you can see it, but my eyes are a bit watery, and everywhere there's a layer of dust, volcanic dust. See, there's this taxi, it's got dust. Volcanic dust everywhere. Yeah. Alright, so I'm in the office now, and it's dust free inside, but outside it's a different story. Dust everywhere, and there's this smell of sulfur everywhere. It's kind of irritating to the throat, and it hurts the eyes, and it can give you allergies. So I've heard that you can wear a mask like this one, yeah, or you can buy a better mask. It's called the N95 mask. I think it's more industrial. So you guys watching this, if you find the ash irritating to your nose and throat, buy the N95. Okay, so gano'n ba karaming ash? Ay, Louie! I see. Oh, gano'n karaming ash po sa inyo?
Not that much, pero it's just a thin layer.
Thin layer? Sa amin, ano eh, it's a thicker layer, pero yan nag-accumulate dun sa corners ng ano, like yung sa car.
Wait lang.
Well, Louis forgot something.
Alright, yes. Check mo lang.
Oh yeah, oh, may sulfur pa ba?
Oh yes,
Still
yes.
smells like a bit sulfur.
We smell that sulfur, alright. My cat didn't particularly like it.
So what did your cat do?
Actually, she's walking around. There's something irritating her nose.
Oh yeah, those
Now they're like this.
quite irritating for my nose.
Yeah. It's even more so for them.
Like I have a cold or something.
Yeah.
Earlier, and I got
Yeah.
the house.
And it's even more so for them because their sense of smell is more sensitive than ours. And okay.
Okay, there's Louis. He got his bag. And he's wearing a mask.
Lucky him. And I've been to all the Mercury drugs this morning. They ran out of face masks.
Did they increase the price?
No, they were out. Period.
Oh, yeah.
No mask available.
Got my own mask here. I wore it this morning. You see?
Yeah.
I have my own.
Lucky you.
Oh. Yes,
Yung ngayon, kung malala.
Di okay yan. I need to see your face with that mask on.
Later. Parang hindi naman pala malala dito.
Hindi malala.
nga.
Mahirap nga.
Hindi ka nagkakasin.
Kasi nilita yung ilong ko eh. Kaya para ako may sipon kanina.
Sabi nila yun, nahihirap. Bagay, lalo ako medyo masakit sa mata.
Oo, actually. Yeah, so ang gas mask mo.
Painting ko eh.
Pwede rin.
Go inside.
Mainit. Yung order niya. Okay lang.
Opo.
Okay. So yeah, nandito kami sa
Black sheep.
Black Sheeps. This is a cafe from Canada, I think. Tama? Canada. So the only branch in the Philippines, Black Sheep Canada. Yeah, an order niya.
I have the black sheep favorite.
Sige, Black Sheep favorite ka niya.
Ano ba?
Ako yung corned beef spicy.
Hindi ka na black.
And Louis.
Decorate yung black sheep favorite.
Abili mo lahat yung coffee na pili.
Ako yung coffee ko.
Ikaw, sige po. Serve na lang po, sir.
Sige, thank you.
Ay, sige, coffee na din. Pero walang sugar.
Oo.
Yeah, lots of quotes on the wall.
Very nice quotes.
Dito ka. I sit here. Got a wall socket here. Oh yeah, interested. Ngayon talaga mga tao sa volcano. And you know, years ago, back in 1988, I think,
77.
we were there.
88, yes. So,
It was 1988.
yes, we were there in Crater Lake.
Yes, we camped there at the crater lake, at the center of the volcano,
Yeah.
where there's you can view this small island. We camped there for 3 days. We also camped near the older crater. No, yeah, near the 1965 crater. Yeah, the most recent eruption.
Yeah.
We camped there and we got stuck because a storm came and
No, that is Makulot, like.
no. That was also in TAAL VOLCANO.
Oh yes, the first
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
The first one. Yes.
Our tent
The one where I was
into one of the
miserable. Yes,
media.
I was totally miserable.
He was totally miserable. And he was lying like catatonic inside that tent and he was saying, I wanna go home, I wanna go home.
Yeah. Yeah.
You were with some locals.
we were in college that time. We were still in college, young kids.
No guides. So
No guides.
Totally no guides.
And you remember a local family there helped us because
Yes,
we
yes.
were soaked to the bone. And,
Yes, we were.
and we were bitten by bugs,
Yes.
gnats.
Yes.
And so they offered their only hut to us.
Yeah. Stay.
That's Filipino hospitality.
Oh, yeah.
We stayed there for 1 night.
Yeah.
We still got bit by bugs, but it was better than a soaked tent.
Yeah. Yeah. The thing looked like an amoeba. It's just
Yeah.
The blob. You know?
Yeah. Called it the blob.
But the second trip was a lot better. That's why it was 3 nights. 3
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
3 days, 2 nights. We just soaked like hippopotamus in Crater Lake.
Yeah. And parts of the water was really boiling.
Yeah. It was. Yeah.
It's so hot, and the ground was so hot you can even touch it with your bare feet.
Yeah. Some parts. Yeah.
You get burnt.
Yeah. And you know the water has high sulfuric content. So after that trip, our skin was really smooth.
Yeah, it's a good treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we really also got very itchy.
Oh yes, that's it.
And then at the far side of the crater lake, there was these fumaroles that
Yes.
went.
Yeah. You can hear those things. We heard those things.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
at
good.
nighttime, you can hear those things.
It's like there's a giant Darth Vader breathing on the other
Yeah,
side.
yeah. We were wondering what those things were the first night there.
And then we
second
crossed the
day,
lake
okay.
using our raft.
Yeah.
And we got there and there were these fumaroles, huge fumaroles,
Yeah.
spewing out sulfur.
Yeah. Sulfur gas. It stank.
Have you been there?
Really stank.
No, not yet.
Okay.
Wala tagalog na
Well, you wouldn't get the chance.
Not now. Not now.
Not yet.
It's still erupting.
Yeah, it's still erupting.
And spewing out lava.
And there's a lava eruption early this morning.
Yeah. turning into something like Mount Kilauea.
Yeah. Hopefully it's Mount Kilauea rather than Pinatubo.
Oh yeah, that's more pristine eruption.
Yeah,
If there's such a thing. Louis here actually works for PVOX, the Philippine Volcanology.
You tell us. You
Not
work
very
there.
different.
You work there.
Philippine Volcanology and Seismology.
Yeah, PVOX. Some say
Philippine
Pil.
Institute of Volcanology and Seismology.
Some people make the mistake of saying pillbox, but that's a different. That's used for the New Year celebration. Pillbox. No, it's PVOX. PVOX. Yeah,
Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. So, I'm a contract service personnel at PVOX, mainly at the Dynaslope project, which focuses on early warning system for landslides or deep-seated landslides. So, if you ask me about the current situation at TAAL Volcano, I'm not able to give an answer because that's another division. I'm working for landslides. We have 50 sites around the Philippines that we are monitoring right now. So, we are currently expanding to more landslide risk areas. So, for this year, we still have 49 active sites we are monitoring right now.
Yeah, that's very nice to know.